Okay, minus 100 next. How do you find DI value, students? Third one, minus 50 also is right. Next, we have 0. After that, 1250 minus 100 is 150. Next, what do we have, students? 400 is correct. Check your answers, what you have written. 400, 500 is the next one. What is FIDI? One minute. Let Delisha answer. What is FI Delisha? 24. What is 24 into minus 150? Respond, Delisha. I told you to write. Are you there? Yes, are you there online? I told you to write. Not now. Enter it for test. What is FIDI? Then what are you doing? I told you to check your answer sheet. Hmm. Get it quickly. You can do it. Ivy, you got the answer. Sorry, not Ivy. Amy, you got the answer sheet with you? Oh, first one, okay. No, let Delisha get it. I want to check Delisha's. What about other subjects, Amy? Are you studying? Which one is left? Only maths. Okay. See, Monday they can't attend, but you attend on Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll teach. I'll cover all those chapters. Yeah. Tell me what you have done, what you have solved, Delisha. Be quick. Don't waste time. Only half an hour left. Minus. Is it correct, Amy? Got minus 3,600. What is 24 150? Minus 3,600. Next. Be quick, students. Minus 100 into 18 is next. Then 0. Next. Hmm. 1 minute, 1 minute. 3,000. After that, 11 into 4. How can it be 1,600? What is 11 into 4? You don't know calculation? Simple, simple calculations. You're going wrong. What's the answer? Yes, 4,400, right? Yes, Amy. Delicious. Simple calculations. You're going wrong. That's what I can't help if you have written it wrong. Will they give marks in school? Then which one you have written wrong? Why 4 into 4? Is it 4 into 400 there? What is it then? Here you have done it properly. Here you have written 4,400. Why have you written 4 into 400 there? 4,000. That is your handwriting, Delisha. You have to write it properly. 4,400. Next one, students. 4,500. Is what did I tell? What's the rule I told? Even if it is negative, we have to add them, right? What's the value? 3,100. What did you all get? Respond both of you. Hmm. Didn't do it. How come correct answer from calculator? Then how is it possible? Amy, what is your value? I told you to add everything. Put minus n and add everything. Okay, why are you doing now? Why didn't you do it before? Okay, fine, fine. Tell me the next one. Delicia, 4,500 into, plus 3,000 plus 4,000, 4,400. 9, then 11,000. 11,900 minus 6,050. What's the value? Okay, 11,000, 900, 6,050. What's the value, students? Yes, 11,900 minus 50. 5,850. And which is greater, 11 or 6? 11 is greater, right? So what do you get? Plus or minus? You get positive 5,850. 5,850. Next one, assume mean method. What did you assume, students? What have you all assumed? A is equals to 1,000, 1,100. What is Fi value? How come 110 Delicia, 103 Delicia? Then your entire value is wrong. Why did you take it as 4? How many times to tell you to check the value and write? Why you so less Delicia? What's the value, Amy? 110? Anyways, you would have got only 1 mark for that Delicia. Okay, you shouldn't later complain that your teacher is not giving marks, all those things. Even if your value is wrong, it is you who had written it. Okay, what is the mean value, students? Mean is equals to A plus, in bracket, summation of Fi 5,850 divided by 0 and 0 gets cancelled. A value is this. Now let me take 5,885, 585 and 11, students. How many times it goes? 11 5s are 55. What's the remainder? 35. 11 3s is 33. Fine. So remainder you get 2. You add a 0. 11 ones are 11. Okay. So just take 53.1. What do you get next? 8. 53.18, students. Okay. Just take 2 decimal. Is it clear? So the answer is 1153.18. Delisha, you have to redo and send it. Clear? If not, you'll just get 1 mark. Definitely you'll fail. You won't pass. I'm telling you, don't take it seriously and do it. Because all these days I was motivating, I was encouraging. The way you are doing, definitely you won't pass them if you are writing all wrong values and calculating. So this is one last chance, students. All motivation, everything is done. You study, write it properly, get marks. If not, nobody can help. Okay, 1153.18. Next question. I'm anyways recording this, Delicia. I'll upload the recording. You can check it later. Yeah, be serious, students. When I'm teaching, I'll make fun. But when it comes to test, I'll be serious. If you're writing wrong answers, then there's no point in preparing all these days. X plus 2 into x plus 7. For this, what's the answer you got? Third one. For third one, it is T. All this done. Okay, find the mean. You already do this, right? Mean of first 8 prime numbers. Okay, what is mean formula? Summation of sum of all observation divided by. Did I teach you all how to find prime numbers? Both of you all? What are the first 8 prime numbers, students? Tell me the first 8 prime numbers. 1 is not a prime. 2, 3. Yeah, Delhi said me the remaining. Next. It shouldn't have other table. 7, 11. Next. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 are there. 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. What's the other one, students? 19. So how do you solve this question? 2 plus 3 plus 7. You have to add everything and divide it by how many prime numbers are there? 8. Will you try this later? Or complete that later. We'll ignore that. The chord is not okay. All this is not required. Shall we start with question 3? Do you all have the answers with you all? All have to answer, students. See, by now you should have become fully thorough in this. What is the degree given in the question? What is the degree given? 1324. And what are the two sub questions? A plus 1 a and the next one is a minus. Okay, what are the degrees for the two sub questions? 1. Which concept do we use if the degree is 1? No, no, which formula? I'm asking which for. How do you solve it, students? Degree 1 and degree 2 is given. What do we do? We want to square it. Square which one? Sub question. There is no both the sides here. There's only one side, right? Sub question has only one side. A plus 1 by a the whole square. Open the bracket. What do you all get? After that, oh, but a and a gets cancelled. Plus 2, right? Okay. Now tell me which one you have to substitute. Which value is given? So this one remains as it is. A square plus 1. 14 plus 2 is how much? I have substituted 16. I just need a plus 1 by a. What happens to root value? And how much is root 16? Is it clear? Now first is done. Very good. Second one. Compare the second one with the first sub question, students. First or second one? First one, what's the degree? If I want to compare, what's the degree for both? Both are 1. If both the degrees are 1, which method I told you, students? One is you have to add, and the other one is you have to, for which one you give preference? Subtraction. What is subtraction? A plus 1 by a the whole square minus, hold on, minus a minus the value for a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. 4 into, yes, 4 into a into 1 by a gets cancelled. Only 4 is left. Delisha, is it clear? How did you all do, students? Tell me. Okay, you use different formula. I'll erase this. I'll erase this. How did you all do? Tell me. Okay, you have taken this and what did you all do? Square it. Even this is also fine. This is also fine. The reason is when you compare it, it is getting squared, right? A square plus 1 by a square minus. Okay. Even this is correct. Even this is also correct. Understood what I thought? Degree 1 and 1. Even that is also fine. Both are correct. Okay, we'll use this. A minus 1 by a the whole square is given. What's the value of square? No, no. First tell me a square plus 1 by a square. What is given in the question? In minus. Very good. 4 root 3 is the answer. Clear? Not 4 root 3. 2 root 3. Delete 2 into 6, 2 into 3, 2, 3 into 1, right? So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 twos are, don't take 4. From both you have to take out one number. Okay? From the pen you have to take one number, 2 root 3. It's not 4 root 3. It is? No, no, no. It is wrong, Delhi. It's not 4 root 3. I think I wouldn't have checked it properly. It is 2 root 3. Clear? Yeah, you can write. Yeah, you can write. Plus minus 2 root 3 is the answer. Okay? A minus 1 by a is equals to what, students? Plus minus 2 root. Yeah, Delisha, why didn't I take 4 root 3? Can you tell me the reason? See, this 2 square, how can I write? Can I write 2 square into 3? If I write it separately, isn't it like this? What happens to root and square? They get cancelled. So what is left? 4 is left or 2 is left? 2 root 3 is the answer. Clear? Fine. Now one more thing, students. Minus is done. Plus a plus b the whole square. Okay, this is how you have to solve. We have solved tough question. This was an easy question, right? Okay, this was the next one. Find using which method? Direct method. Okay, I'll be quick, students. There's less time. I'll be quick. 60, 63, 66, 72, and 75. What are the values? 4, 5, 3, 1, and 2. Yes. Now, first tell me the direct value. This is xi, this is fi. What's the formula? Summation of fi xi divided by summation fi. For that, we need fi xi value, students. What is fi xi? 240. Next. Very good. What is fi? What is xi fi? Hmm? Both are giving different answers. It's 950. Let us check. 950. I think it is 5 in the last. Delicia's answer. Okay. I think Delicia's answer might be correct. Amy, check the values. 240, is it correct? 315 is correct? No, check FIXI values. Is 240 correct? Yeah. 150. Okay. Now tell me, how will you add this? Add all the right hand side numbers. What is 0 plus 5? Okay, look here, Amy. You tell the calculation. 198. Have you written it in order? Where did you write 72? Did you write 72 like this? No. You tell me. I'll write it. You don't have to calculate. I'll write. I've written 72 like this. Now both of you answer this, students. You are making lot of mistakes in addition subtraction. What is 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2? 10 plus 5? 5 and carry 1, right? Read everything. 5 plus 1? 6. 6 plus 9? 15 plus 5? 20 plus 7? Next. Why is your answer wrong, Amy? I didn't expect this. Yes. You're too quick. How is Ivy? Even Ivy is the same. When I'm teaching her, I observe even she wants to answer it fast. When she is doing in the same way. Yes, even Ivy also I've seen. Even she's trying to do it fast, but both are good in maths. Only thing is, if Ivy would have joined class from the beginning, she would have done well. Okay, when I taught her, even she is good in maths, Amy. She's good in calculation, all those things. But unfortunately, she couldn't pass. Okay, what's the value? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 8, 9. What's the answer, Delicia? 975. See, if you're writing and practicing, you're getting it right. Both of you are almost getting the answers right. Now tell me the answer. 970. 1 minute. 975 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15, 6 are 90, 65. What's the answer, students? 65. See how simple question, what kind of question they have given. It was very simple. And Delicia, this you couldn't do in final exam. Such a simple. Then you would have passed definitely because 3 marks you could have done. I don't know why. I don't know how much you have scored. Okay, fine. Next one, student. Mistake in question paper. Which one? Okay. Now did you correct it? Fine. So next time takes 1 or 2 extra minutes, students. Take 1 or 2 minutes extra. Try to complete it. Why all in a hurry? You'll have three, how many? 2.5 hours paper, I think, right? 3 hours, not even 2.5, 3 hours paper, students. See, one mistake, you'll have almost lost 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 10 standard portions gone. Again, you are studying 9th standard. One simple mistake. So concentrate. Try to clear in the first attempt itself. How do you solve this? Is the power negative or positive? Delisha answer. No, 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 let Delisha answer because I've taught Amy and Dia. Delisha, unmute the call. Tell me the power. What is power? Negative or positive? How do you solve? If it is 1, but if it is 2 to the power of minus 2, if it is negative, how do you solve? What do you do? How do you convert? Make it positive? How do you make it positive, Delisha? You have to reciprocate the value, right? 1 by 2 square, correct? 1 by 2 square. It becomes 1 by 4. In the same way, if you want to make it positive, what is the value? 64 and 25. They have to get very good. To the whole power 3 by 2. Now, what is the power, students? Is it a fraction? 3 by 2 is fraction. Which one we need to eliminate? Which one you have to eliminate? The denominator 2, right? 2. So I have to take 25, 3 by 2 divided by 64 into 3 by 2. Simple question, they have given it for 2 marks. How do you solve this question? Both of you will answer. That's it. 5 square into 3 by 2. Next. No, no, no. Into 3 by 2. What is 125? What is 8 cube? 512. If you want, just leave it like this or convert into mixed fraction, students. No, you won't get in mixed fraction. This is the final answer. Clear? This good, Alicia? Is it clear? Okay, I'll teach you again. I'll teach that. Next one, students. Fourth main I didn't give, right? No, it's not fourth. What fourth? Elimination method. Now, Delisha, answer this. When you taught Amy, how do you use elimination? X plus 2y is equal to 1. Number should be on the right hand side, Delisha. Remember, okay? Concentrate. Number should be on the right hand side. Arrange the value. 3x minus y is equals to, how can it be minus 17? 17 is already on the right hand side, right? 17. Tell me, Delisha, which one shall we eliminate? What do you mean by eliminate? Cancel any one. How many variables are there? Two variables? Yeah, you know this. Definitely, you know. Only thing you're lazy to revise again. Tell me, which one shall we make equal? No, no, Amy, you don't answer. Let Delisha answer. Which one, Delisha? Which one shall we eliminate? X or Y? Why? What's the reason? Can you see there is plus and minus? So what should I multiply, Amy? What should I multiply? What's the degree? I have to multiply into, and here into. Now do you remember solving such question? Hmm? If you don't remember, which means you didn't concentrate those days, Delisha. You were just attending it. Now multiply this. Oh, is it correct, Delisha? After multiplying 6x plus, not plus, 6x minus 2y is equal to, which one gets cancelled, Delisha? Plus and minus? Right? What about the students? Both are positive. What is 1x plus 6x? Oh, 34 plus 1 is? How was this, Amy? Was it easy or difficult to solve? It was very easy. Yeah, he had solved some difficult question. X is equals to 5. Substitute in equation 1 or 2. I'll take equation 1. You have to write like this. Substitute x is equals to 5 in equation 1. You have to write all the steps. Equation 1. Let me take x plus 2y is equals to 1. In place of x, let me write 5. 5 plus 2y is equal to 1. 2y is equals to 1 plus 5 goes to the other side, minus 5. What's the value? Y is equals to minus 2. Make a note, Amy. Delisha, understood? This is the elimination method. Make a note, complete it. We'll see another 5 minutes. We'll do one or two questions. Then we'll continue tomorrow. 1 into 2y. If you want to shift that, minus 2y becomes negative, right? Then what will you do with negative? Okay. See, anyways, 2y is in the left hand side, Ivy, Amy. 2y is in the left hand side. Why do you want to get confused? Keep it on left hand side itself. Okay. Y is equals to minus 2. Where are you attending from, Amy? You're at home, right? Ivy told sometimes no connection. I asked her, but your voice is not audible. She told when you're in restaurant you attend, when you're traveling you attend classes. Hmm? Why is it, Amy? Why is it? Okay. You should let me know, okay? When you're outside, you let me know. Because of internet issues, sometimes you won't hear. Fine, you send a message, that time you don't have to attend, you can go through the recording. So please don't attend when you're traveling, student. Traveling, sitting in restaurant, when you're traveling or in your cousin's house, there's no point in attending. You won't understand anything. Okay, y is equals to minus 2, x is equals to 5. Got the answers? Delicia done? Okay, Delicia, do one thing. You don't copy this. You understood how to solve, right? You do it. Yeah, now you do it and send it. Clear? Next, which is the next one, students? Trigonometry. Hmm. See first one. What is a value? So I'll substitute here. Sine 3 into 30. 3 into 3 into sine 30 minus 4 into sine cube 30 degrees, students. What is 3 into 30? Yeah, what is 3 into 30? First 90, not 9, 90, right? Next, I'll keep 3 as it is. In bracket, I'll write what is sine 30, students. Okay, Delicia, I'll teach you all that, but for now you answer. Sine 30 is 1 by minus 4. What is sine 30? Can you see there is cube here? Cube. Is it clear? Both of you understood? Sine 90 is 1, students. Left hand side we have 1. Right hand side multiply. You get 3 by 4 into what is 1 by 2 the whole cube? 1 by 8. When you reduce, what do you get? 3 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Are the LCM correct? I mean denominator same? Yeah, okay. I'll keep left hand as it is. 2. Then 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2 divided by 2 is 1. Did we prove left hand side is equals to right hand? Such a simple question, student. For how many marks they are given this? 3 marks. Yes, 3 marks. Okay, next one last. We'll end the class. Remaining will complete tomorrow. And Amy, whatever I have done, practice that, Amy. Okay. Which one you have done? Yes, because all the subjects are done, right? Okay. Delicia, complete this later, Delicia. If not, I'll teach. Ignore this. Okay. Question. Find the value of sine 35 divided by cos 55, students. Keep any one value as it is. How do you answer this, Amy? How did you solve? Very good. 55. Next. Okay, next. Hmm. 1. Got 1? I'll teach you, Delish. I'll teach you tomorrow. You attend special class, I'll teach, okay? Don't have to worry about it. So that's it, students. Both of you all, I'll upload the recording. If you want, watch. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Stay online. Yes, Delicia. I'll take special class tomorrow. Now we have time. You can study science. Okay. Max, don't waste your time. I mean, waste in the sense, don't study Max. I'll tell you tomorrow. Attend at 8:30 tomorrow. You can leave. Delicia can leave. Yeah. Yes, you can leave. Yes, bye, Delicia. You can leave. And Amy, okay, let Ivy attend. I'll take after that. Amy, you look here. What are the chapters we have done? Okay. Which one are you thorough in? Which one? Hmm. Okay. Next. That's it. Okay. So any three chapters. These three chapters you're thorough with these three. What else with it? Indices and what else? I think we did one more. Mean median. Okay. So you do one thing. Indices you have doubts. Tomorrow when I teach Delisha, you attend. Clear? Now I want you to solve. Just concentrate max IB. Sorry, Amy. In exponents, what is this EXP? EXP stands for expansion, right? Okay. In simple linear equation, what are the three methods we have? Substitution, elimination, and there's one more, that UV method. Remember, if it's in denominator, ah. So try three questions, all one type. Okay, three different questions. In trigonometry, all the exercise try one question. Ivy, Amy, practice this. Even in expansion, try at least five questions. Any five. Clear? Next, indices is done. What about mean median? You have the notes, right? Whatever we solved. Yeah, go through that. Yes, go through that. Clear? Complete all this. Attend at 8:30 tomorrow morning. 8:30. I'll be starting factorizing. Hmm. Yes. What is it?